everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap, and we are here with Technique Tuesday. Yay! We are completely in a different place, as you can see. We are out in the woods, so yeah, we're gonna have fun today. Yeah.
We just want to say congratulations to all of the Olympians, and you're doing a great job, and
we've been rooting for you up here. So.
Yes, we have.
Go USA!
Yay.
Today's Technique Tuesday, we are going to be using our thin cut circles. We do have our thin cuts video if you don't know how to use thin cuts, so you can go look at that. And today we're going to show you how to make pork holes out of the thin cuts. So, Are you ready?
I'm ready. Okay, to start, we're going to take our thin cut circle, the larger one first. We're going to place it down on the paper, and then we're going to take our next smallest thin cut and place it inside that circle. And you want to make sure that they're even. And then I'm going to take some washi tape. You could take any washi tape.
She just happens to be using the Sugar Rush washi tape.
Yes.
Washi tape is super gentle on the paper. That's why we use it.
Right, and it holds your thin cuts down for your cuts so they don't move around. And they'll stay exactly where you want them. All right, I'm just going to move this over here for a second. And I'm going to set up my Cuttlebug. Now the Cuttlebug is great. You see how it's rocking here? When you open it up, it's got a little suction cup so it doesn't move. And it's got its little arm hidden away in the side.
We didn't see that.
Oh, we got the arm hidden away. It's nestled in there. And then it just comes out. And for our thin cuts, you're going to need the foam mat for your Cuttlebug. You're going to need plate A, which is the thicker one. And then you put your plate B down. You put your thin cuts on top, and then a plate B on top of that. And then you just run it through the Cuttlebug machine.
You're gonna hear those cracks sometimes,
yes.
Sometimes you don't.
And then when you're done, you are going to have, ooh, I put the washi tape on too good.
Don't put the washi tape on too good.
And as April said before, it's gentle on the paper, so there's not going to be any.
And we are more concerned with that inside ring right now.
Yes. And this circle you'll be able to use somewhere else.
Mm-hmm. And you can save the washi tape. You can keep reusing the same pieces of washi tape until they don't stick
all
anymore.
the time. And there you have it. You have your little ring.
Perfect. So now we're going to show you, we're going to move the Cuttlebug. Gotta undo it.
We gotta close it up, yep.
We are going to take the two inner circles, and basically what you can do is you can do the same thing. So first we're going to show you starting over from scratch, doing all 4 circles inside, and then we'll show you how to take this one and use those two just on these two, on that, without having to redo them.
So we're just layering. We're nestling them inside each other.
And if you wanted to as well, if you wanted them all to be like off kilter, you could do something like that too.
Yes.
So we're not going to do that because we need them like this for our project. But
oops, it takes a little
finessing, finagling.
Finesse. It takes some finesse to get them even. That's what I'm trying to do right here. And as before, oops, I cut some new washi tape, but you could use your old washi tape. And I'm going to just take a piece of the older washi tape that I used before. Put it on there. Open this up. Then I'm just going to put this right through.
It might give you a little bit resistance because you are cutting through the paper, and our paper is thick, but it will go through.
Right, and you actually have the 4 thin cuts going through it. So there we go.
And if you rip the outside paper a little bit with the washi tape, it doesn't matter. Unless that's what you are exactly, if that's what you want to use, just be careful. And remember, we have a 3 by 12 inch strip that we're using. You can go up to, I believe, 6 inches, right? 5 inches, 6 inches?
This is, let's see, it's like 5.5 inches.
So you could put 5.5 inch strips through the Cuttlebug. But
And I don't know if you could see that yet because it's on gray, so
okay, great.
there you go.
So cool. And then we've got this one as well. So if you've done the bigger one or a medium size and you decide you wanted to make another one, you could just use this right off the bat.
Mm-hmm. And which size is that? Yep. You could just.
Or if you didn't even want to use that one and you just want a small circle in the middle, I'll show you that one.
You could do that.
Mm-hmm. Let's put it through.
Okay. We'll put it through.
Just to show that you can make tons of different sizes and different designs.
Yes, the thin cuts are very versatile.
You can see we've used this plates a lot.
Right, and I usually try to keep the top plate clean so I could see through it. And as you can tell, the bottom has been loved.
You can see some leaves in there, tons of circles. What else do we have in there?
Oh, we have lots of thickness.
And there's a thicker one. You
And
could use that for like a tire or something.
mm-hmm.
But yes, so that's how you make that. And those are your thin cut rings. Along with the basic circles, we also have hearts, stars, and ovals. Make sure you keep checking back on the website for brand new thin cuts that come out. And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, leave them below. And remember to subscribe to our channel. And thank you to all of our new followers this week. We're glad you've joined us on our journey.
Mm-hmm. Yay!
Go US! Bye!
Say something.
I am not impressed.
So we're rooting. We just wanted to say congratulations to all of our Olympians, and you're doing a great job. And good luck.
And that is Technique Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching.